Hi, I'm Tada of Mada Skyru Day. Mada Skyru Day is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today, I just replaced the high mount stop lamp of 2009 Nissan Versa hatchback, four-door hatchback. I just noticed that the high mount stop lamp, they used to have two or three lamps still surviving, so I just let it go. But now I found all LEDs were dead, so I decided to replace the high mount stop lamp. It was not really that difficult. The hardest part was probably removing the double sticky tape from the body, and because that part is actually, if you screw it up, that seal, you will have the water leak problem into the cabin. So they just need to they care about that, and this is how I did. So as you saw, I just kick the brake, and the brake tail or two lamps there, or the just the turning on, but the third one, that the high mount stop lamp, is not really working fine. So I gonna replace that lighting unit. So this is the high mount stop lamp I purchased online. That's for 2009 Nissan Versa hatchback, and this is I think the part number. It's made in Mexico, and I hope if you are doing the same thing, just you can find it online. It's not really that expensive. So this is the part. So it's not really that difficult to mount it. You have just two screws here, and just need to pop open the cover on the rear hatch. So this is a rear hatch. All you have to do is take this cover. So you see the seam here. So maybe possible with only one hand. I think I gotta use both hands. So 4 pins going into here, and then you have screws here and here. This is a connector. You can remove the connector. So this is the connector. I think it's push this guy. Here we go. So push this guy in, then you can disconnect it. Okay, it's easy. Then what I have to do is, it's probably, this is where this is 10mm screw. So it's 10mm socket. Okay, one down. Okay, two down. And okay, it's just a tape, double-sided tape. I have to remove this tape from the body and just put it back, the other one, new one. That's not that difficult. So I removed most of this, the sticky tape, because this is a very important part. If you screw it up, you're gonna have a water leak. And I use the razor blade mostly, and also use like this nails, and then and I removed most of them and I use the engine grease degreaser, and that actually turned out okay. It works okay. So I think I'm gonna keep cleaning it until I really see the nice metal surface, smooth surface, and so that we're not gonna have any water leak after installation. So I mounted. Actually, I thought that I turned on the video, but it was off. So I already mounted it. So just remove the sticky tape and just mount it. Now I'm gonna screw down the parts. Okay. Connector, and put this guy back. Okay, it's done. So as you saw, it works fine. Great, it's an easy fix, and so this is much safer than having the broken high mount stop lamp. So thank you very much for watching. Bye.